Welcome back, Vagabonds. My name's Carter. I write for atypicalvagabond.com and work for Blue Tegu. Today I'm going to start a new series that is called So You Want to Be a Digital Nomad. On here I will go through the different steps upon what works for me, what doesn't work, and explore these topics that people have said that they have had success. I'm not currently working as a digital nomad, but I am putting in the steps to become a digital nomad, so when I do take off and leave the United States, that I am able to proceed with a career. So the two things that I have heard other YouTubers do to make money has been to get on the platforms Fiverr and Upwork. And so recently I have joined Fiverr and created a profile, and what I have found out after this first week of trying things out, that it has not been successful. I have 0 subscribers, I have not made any money. I have put up 2 gigs right now, and what those gigs are for simply making a logo, which is pretty easy work, and the second is to write blog posts for other people. And so far I haven't been able to get any type of feedback from anybody on there, but that's kind of to be expected, I would think, because I have no street cred on Fiverr yet. I have no stars. Nobody has said, hey, yeah, Jim is a great artist, knows how to do these graphical designs, he knows how to write well. And so right now there has been nobody that has provided that on there. I have also found out that it is important to have a video on there, so you kind of stick out a little bit to the eye for other people. So I am going to go ahead and put up a video and see what happens from this. And maybe I'll have a little bit of better luck, but if you are just looking to make a quick buck, like when you are out there, you are not going to have success with Fiverr. This is one of those things where it is the long game that you need to partake in, and when you look at things on the long-term perspective, you probably are going to have much more success. So if you are looking to become a digital nomad, you need to plan ahead and make sure that you have all your ducks in a row first before you are just going out there. It's not something that is going to happen overnight for you. So the thing is prepare for yourself what you will need like in the future. So think 2 steps, 3 steps ahead, and hopefully things will start working out. So what I'm going to do with this series with Fiverr is that I'll have another video out next week after I find out if there's any type of success. Then after that I will do another video at 1 month to see if I am getting sustained success in the Fiverr realm. Thank you for watching. If you haven't hit the like button yet, go ahead and do so. Hit the subscribe. It helps me out in the algorithms, and it will allow you to see future content on videos of for what my second week is like on Fiverr and my next month of Fiverr. So I'll provide different details upon what I have found to work for me in Fiverr, and these are tools that you will be able to use for yourself, and it'll be great value for you all, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Take care.